To meet me, I think you should. I mean, I really think you should.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are back in FIFA Mobile. So let's go to my team. This is a pack opening. This is my team right now. Let's try to make it better. There's 3 elites on it. So today we're going to be opening around 11 packs with some guaranteed elites mixed into there. So let's start with the 4 pro packs, then we'll move to the 2 FIFA Mobile packs, our French mask pack, attackers pack, 2 attacker mode packs, and this guy named Cerna, or whatever his name is. So let's start with the pro pack. Alright, a gold. That's pretty good. Next pro pack. One more gold. Okay. I'm pretty sure a gold is guaranteed, but okay, that's fine. Alright, pro packs are pretty bad right now. No luck. Not in the pro packs. Yep, nothing. Alright, let's move to the FIFA Mobile pack. Alright, better. 2 golds. Okay. Alright, now it's the party starter pack. That's what this is called. Let's see who we get. Okay. He plays for FC Cone in France. +1 strength to all French players. Alright, that's nice. Alright, attackers mode pack. Let's do this. Gold. Nice. Ooh, all golds and 3 updates. Nice, that's really good. Let's open the elite fan favorite player and Higuain. Oh, that's awesome. Our attack's gonna be really good after this. Alright, another elite player, elite fan favorite player. Oh, we got Royce. Oh my God, Royce is like the guy who's on the cover of the game. Like, that's like, oh my, that's awesome. Alright, so this guy got claimed Cerna. So he gives +3% fans. Dude, this is gonna be a beast team. Let's check our team out. Alright, show all. Ooh, we got 2 strikers up there. I'm gonna move Modeste over there, just because of my starting 11. That's awesome. And I bet we got a couple different people over there. We got Cerna over here at right wing back. This Tete guy is new. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I got a bunch of players left over. I'm going to sell off. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.